You ain't nothing but a hound dog. What a blast to play. Way more deceptively harder and cooler than I thought. It's Hound Dog by Elvis Presley. You got a capo on the 3rd fret, and you're in A major, and it's just a blast to play. So we're gonna learn this thing in just a couple minutes. I'm Steve, hope you're doing fantastic, blah, blah, blah. Let's get to the lesson. So A major right here, and I just lay my finger down. It's really easy because you start off 1 fret lower. So you basically take a regular A major and go down 1 fret to the 4th for the D, G, and B strings, and slide it in, while you hit that open A string, and try not to hit the high E string and go. You could hit a regular A major if you want to, but this one's easier. So A, and then you go to a D, and the reason why I use these 2 fingers instead of a regular D major, just do those parts of the D major. Whether you use your pinky or this finger, like that, you're pulling off from the 8th to the 5th of that D major on the G string. Right there, 8th to the 5th of the G, and then slide it back down into the A, E, that's E major, and you ain't D major, you ain't no friend of mine. And then here's one of the hardest parts of the song, is go like this. Man, that's hard. And try to get it tight. Ready? Right there. Now, if you want to make it even harder, right after that, the rock and solo goes. Sorry. Like that. So open E string and hammer it on to the 6th fret. Hit the open A string and 6th fret, open, 6th fret, open of the A string. So you can hammer them on, you can pick them. I guess it sounds cooler to pick them. And right after that, if you can, put it right back into that A string. So all together really slow, I'll start off when the D goes. Go fast. Well, you ain't. Boom. You can leave the solo to somebody else if you want to, if it's too hard to get to that note. Okay, the song just keeps going on through the verses and choruses, but that's the main part. Those are all the parts of the song, and as you can tell, super fun to play. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments, and I'll see you around for some more 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond. Catch you around.